Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Dodge Durango Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E2245P. 26,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Durango seat 7, leather interior, rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row outboard seats are also heated. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 50/50 split folding rear seat, folds flat, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded Beats sound system, 504 watts of power, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.